Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect, scrutinize, and sometimes even poke fun at the latest gadgets to help you make those oh-so-difficult purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two fierce competitors, the Holy Stone HS110D FPV RC drone and the IDEA brushless motor drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one high-flying showdown. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone comes in at a cool $99. Not bad, right? But wait, the IDEA swoops in at $89. That's a whole $10 cheaper. Reviewers appreciate the value for money in both drones, but saving that extra cash is always a win. Point for IDEA. Next, let's get camera ready. The Holy Stone boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. Sounds fancy, right? But IDEA is here to one-up with a 4K Sony sensor camera. It's like comparing a flip phone to a DSLR. Reviewers have praised the camera quality of both, but the IDEA's higher resolution takes the cake. IDEA, you diva, you take this one too. Now on to altitude hold. Holy Stone promises you can set your hands off the joystick and still keep the drone in mid-air. Perfect for beginners, kids, and anyone who just wants to impress their cat. Meanwhile, IDEA has indoor visual positioning, which sounds like a sci-fi movie, but means it can automatically position itself indoors. Reviewers love the simplicity of Holy Stone's altitude hold, especially for beginners. So Holy Stone's simplicity gets a nod here. Ever tried flying a drone and completely lost it out of sight? Holy Stone's got your back with headless mode. It's like the drone GPS you never knew you needed. IDEA, on the other hand, has obstacle avoidance. It's like having a drone with spidey senses. Reviewers find obstacle avoidance to be a lifesaver. IDEA takes this round. Let's talk mobile control. Holy Stone has voice control, gestures, trajectory flight, and gravity sensor control. It's like playing a video game with your drone. IDEA also has gesture control, optical flow positioning, and a VR function for those who want to live in the Matrix. Reviewers love the VR feature in IDEA for an immersive experience. Both are packed with features, but VR, IDEA, you win this round too. Battery life. Both drones come with two modular batteries offering around 20 minutes of flight time. But IDEA's foldable design and carrying case make it easier to pack up and go. Reviewers appreciate the portability of IDEA. So it's a tie-in battery life, but extra points for portability go to IDEA. Finally, let's talk customer service. The Holy Stone is a great beginner-friendly drone, but IDEA has been around since 2016 and promises high-quality products and long-term services. They even want you to trust them in the next generation of products. Reviewers have had mixed experiences with both, but IDEA's long-term service promise is a big plus. IDEA, you sentimental fool, you win again. Overall, both drones have received positive reviews but cater to different needs. Holy Stone is praised for its ease of use and durability, making it perfect for beginners. On the other hand, IDEA is lauded for its advanced features and superior camera quality, which appeal to more experienced users. Well, folks, there you have it. The IDEA brushless motor drone takes the crown in this drone duel. But hey, if you're on a budget and just starting out, the Holy Stone is still a solid choice. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which drone you think is the real MVP. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.